Hello, this is Sabrina from Faileas Creations. Excuse me. I have gotten a sale from off of eBay, and I want to show you guys this. So I believe I got it for, it was like 30 bucks, and it was 30 bucks, but it was like 10 bucks for shipping. So I wanted to show this to you. Now, I know that I bought it because of the memory wire. People tend to, uh-oh, there's beads out. It sounded like something was wailing around, and I was hoping I was wrong. Anyway, people, at least I've had success selling memory wire. And I sent her a message. Uh-oh, upside down. And I sent her a message that if in fact it was memory wire, and she said it was. So cute little tray. Love that. I'm gonna glue some material on it. Use it as a cute little beading thing. That's awesome. And I'm sorry, we're gonna go as fast as humanly possible, because I do not like watching long videos either. And so we have this. These are real pretty. They look more like they're painted on or something or another. I'll use this to put this on top of. Maybe we can rush through it. Nice. I like that container. Ooh, look at there. There, I want to say they are plastic beads, but I don't see any. If they are plastic beads, I don't see any lines in them. It's nice. Little bags of, I've never seen them this big. They're not 11 O's. What's the next size? 8. They look more, well, not quite 8 O's. 6 O's or something. They don't look, they look nice anyway. Looks like a necklace that broke. These are, these look like plastic beads as well. I'm gonna dump them out on this tray. Yeah, they're definitely plastic beads. Look like a necklace that had broken. Little kids love buying little necklace sets. You know, and they get them, make them out of plastic so they're not inexpensive. And I've seen parents just walk them straight through things out of that. Oh, baby. This is the second reason I got it. I absolutely love these, what's it called? They call them spacer beads. Shoot, people, they're plastic. Yeah. Well, dang it. They're plastic. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, guys, all of them are plastic beads. Sometimes you wonder why it's the price it is. So, and that is why they're all plastic beads. I'm gonna take these out really quickly. I use beads like this all the time. I just do. Look at there. See them? Yeah, I use beads like that all the time to make all kinds of different things. Another bag of these beads like this, which is plastic. And these are glass. I think that's the only glass beads. Now, I kind of like this. If you see this, this is kind of like a frosted look to them. No, I think they're well, I guess they call it acrylic, but they're like clay or something. They're a little harder than, they're not. I think them are glass, but the other ones look more acrylic. I'm sorry, like clay. Get all of these out. That's the reason I bought them right there, that memory wire. Oh, look at the little orange slices. Is that not cute, cute? A lot. Look at that. A lot of memory wire. I would have, I was getting ready to actually buy it from Fire Mountain Gems. And I thought, you know what? No, no, not true. I was going to buy them from Fire Mountain Gems. And every time I try to order from them here recently, I just haven't been able to. So, I just thought, well, forget that. I'm putting them over there so I'm ready to make. Oh, look at there. Ooh. They look like, what's it called? Anyway, these are very fancy. Them are very nice beads right there. And this is exactly what I'm going to do with my little stretchy. Make a bunch of little bracelets like that. Adorable. There's some stretchy wire there. There's some there. There's my memory wire. Oh, these are nice beads. Precicio. What? Guys, if my life depended on it, I wouldn't be able to pronounce nothing. Them aren't as pretty, but, yeah. Nice beads and memory wire. Take this out and put this here. Ooh, you know, I just seen a video where this lady did some embroidery, and she used these type of beads to make the petals on the roses. People really don't think they can smell smoke, you know, but trust me, when you come from a, you can smell smoke on stuff. You can actually feel it. So all of this is going to end up having to be cleaned. See, really pretty beads. Let me see if I can, well, I'm not. That's really pretty beads. Look at there. Look like she's tried to make her own little bracelets. And I'm going to take every one of them apart and make some more with it. Because again, I use the silver ones as spacer beads. So, you know, a lot of stuff sometimes when you see stuff, it's just not your style. You know, so you have to make stuff on your own. It's just a bag of beads. Over here. Oh, I love the little candies, little candy things. That's be so cute and something. And that is absolutely plastic. You can see where they've took the two sides of it and glued them together. Ah, that's what, look at that. That's what fell out. This right here is the same type of spacer beads, but they're smaller. And the last little thing in here, the bottom of this, I think y'all can see, is filled with beads. And it came out of this one right here. This one was it was open, it was cracked, open in the box. And here is some more. See, these are prettier beads. Look at there. Prettier beads. Look at these right here. Look how pretty that is. And these, them are really pretty. You see a little bag with these in it. A little apple. You see the little apples. That's my first time seeing an apple. Well, guys, there you go. Thank you so much for stopping in, seeing my little bead haul. And until next time, continue beading.